Hey, Robo. Are you helping the guys with the new building? Let's get rid of that old wall, Dane. Careful! Are you okay, Super Bulldozer? Oh no! He's gone crazy! He's creating a huge mess! You have to stop him, guys! Watch out! Phew! That was close! Oh no! Those rocks are blocking the way! Hurry up, guys! Oh no! Dane is trapped! You have to help him! Super Bulldozer is running away! But first, you have to help Dane. Great job! Now you guys can go after Super Bulldozer. Dane, can you take care of this mess? Great! Let's go! Oh no! Super Bulldozer is causing chaos in the city! He's out of control! You have to stop him before he hurts someone! There's only one way to do it. Guys, it's time to fuse. Robo Edna to the rescue! Now let's catch Super Bulldozer. Whoa! That was close! Watch out! Quick, Robo! Use your drill! Well done! You trapped him! Now let's take him to the hospital. Is he doing better, Amber? Welcome back, Super Bulldozer! Car City is safe again!
Hi, baby trucks! Are you playing like you are the Avengers? Be careful, don't get hurt. Oh no! What do you want, Zitron? Baby trucks, watch out! Baby trucks, what are you doing? I think this is Zitron's fault. What a scoundrel! Watch out, Jerry! Baby truck Iron Man can't stop running. You should help him. Robo! Baby truck Iron Man and Jerry are back. Stop him! Watch out, Robo! What a hit! But don't let him run away! After him! Baby Truck Spider-Man is in trouble too! Watch out, Jerry! Help him, Robo! Jerry is trapped! Watch out! It was close! Pull him! Run and dodge the spider webs! Robo! Jerry! You almost didn't get away! Look! There's Zitron! We need his gun to turn baby trucks back to normal! Oh no! He's found you! Don't let him escape! Stop right there, Zitron! You are surrounded! Good job! You have the gun! Let him go! First, you have to help the baby trucks. You must merge to be able to do something against Iron Man and Spider-Man. Jerry, do you want to fuse with Robo? Robo Jerry, go full speed! Wow, you're very fast, Robo Jerry. Look, there he is! Very good! But there's still another baby truck you have to help. You will have to run a lot to avoid being hit by any spider webs. Come on! Are you all right now, baby truck Spider-Man?
Hey!
You should run faster, evil robot! You're the best, Robo Jerry! This is the end of your evil plan, Zitron.